How to add a GTA filter to your TikTok. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In this video, we will add a GTA filter to your TikTok. GTA is one of the most played and popular games today. It also has a very nice character display filter. Now we can add this to our picture. Let's get started. First of all, check if TikTok is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find TikTok. If there is an update button, tap it and wait for the latest features to be applied. After that, open TikTok. When TikTok has opened, tap on the search option and type GTA filters. Choose the AI GTA filter because it showed me the best results. After opening the filter, tap on the text in the middle of the screen. Here, delete the two items so that only Grand Theft Auto 5 remains. After that, tap on the Create button and point at the person or image that you want to process in this filter. Wait 3 seconds and after that, TikTok will process your picture to look like it was created in GTA series. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more TikTok tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.